Sir, how laser dentistry is changing the treatment process?
See, laser dentistry basically right now is an important role in all kind of surgeries because laser is a very important role in decontamination of germs and bacteria. Basically, in all the kind of surgeries, we are using laser for the decontamination as well as in root canal treatment we are using laser for decontamination. So and also in gum therapy and depigmentation and as well as in periodontitis we are using laser for the germ reduction. So in all these kind of problems, the laser having an important role. So right now we can say that laser is having a very important role in dentistry. So thank you so much for that.